My number one recommendation for fat loss. Most people used to think we get fat from eating, well, fat. And now people think we get fat from eating carbs. And even worse, some people think we get fat from eating too much protein. So which is it? Well, I would say this answer is simple. It's about all three, all right? It's about how much you eat of all three. It's basic calories in versus calories out, which I believe there is much truth to that. And then on the opposite side, you have people saying calories don't matter at all. And it's all about the quality of food you eat rather than the quantity. Like 10 grams of carbs from broccoli is not the same as 10 grams of carbs from bread, which I also believe there's much truth to that. And then you see documentaries of people eating horrible quality foods like McDonald's every day and still being able to lose weight. Seems totally unfair, right? So which is it? Is it really all about calories in versus calories out and simply restricting calories? Or is it all about the quality of food over the quantity? Well, like I said before, I believe there's truth to both. And there's old and new research studies showing us that both calories in versus calories out and quality over quantity serve a role in short and long-term weight loss. Just like there are tons of studies showing people getting fat from eating too much fat, and other studies showing people getting fat from eating too many carbs. It's literally mind-blowing when I go and read through all of them, but it is totally understandable how people could get caught up in all of the back and forth craziness. So, this is my recommendation. Stop overcomplicating the process of weight loss. It is simple. That's why my number one recommendation for weight loss is just forget about what you think you know, forget about what you've learned from past diets, and most importantly, stop thinking like an overweight person. If I want a new me, I better start thinking